All right, Mr. B, I'm gonna try something here and see if it works, if I'm able to get this to you, get these instructions to you. So I'm gonna go through a process that I think I didn't get hear back from Miss Mins, but I think this is what she said the solution should be. So if you open up Chrome and hopefully you can see this up here where my cursor is, you should have your Chrome browser open and go to people. And when you go to people, you want to add a person. So once you click here, go to add a person. Then it's gonna take you. Oh, maybe. Um, it will take you to another screen. Now I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you that while recording. Mm, no, no, I will not be able to show it to you. However, when you get to that other screen, you want to type in NYC Zoom like it is here. Once you get there, go into the site and DOE Zoom and sign in using your DOE email and password. Once you have done that, um well, if you get that far with it, if you're able to get in and do that, give me a ring and let me know. Then we can go ahead and try out a Zoom meeting, see if you could log into a Zoom meeting. But let's see if we could get that done first. And those will be our first steps. All right.